Is skipping breakfast wrecking your gut? 31 million Americans miss this crucial meal daily, harming their digestion and health. Discover what happens to your gut when you skip breakfast and simple fixes to save it. If you're new to our channel, subscribe and watch the full video for life-changing tips. Hello, everyone. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, yet 31 million Americans skip it daily, per a 2024 United States Department of Agriculture report. This habit disrupts your gut, leading to bloating, poor digestion, and even chronic diseases, costing the United States healthcare system billions, per the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. In this video, we're diving into what happens to your gut when you skip breakfast and how to fix it with quick, gut-friendly meals. Backed by the latest research, we'll explore the science and share practical solutions for busy American lifestyles. Parents, professionals, or students, let's get started and save your gut. Skipping breakfast may seem harmless, but it disrupts your gut in profound ways. A 2024 gut study found that missing breakfast reduces gut bacteria diversity by 10%, impacting 70% of Americans with digestive issues, per a 2024 National Institutes of Health report. Key impacts: gut microbiome imbalance. A 2023 Journal of Nutrition study showed that skipping breakfast lowers beneficial bacteria like bifidobacterium, increasing inflammation by 15%, per a 2024 nutrient study. Blood sugar spikes. Without breakfast, blood sugar fluctuates, stressing the gut and raising diabetes risk by 20%, per a 2024 diabetes care study, critical for 34% of Americans with prediabetes, per the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Delayed digestion. A 2023 American Journal of Clinical Nutrition study found that skipping breakfast slows gastric emptying, causing bloating in 40% of regular skippers. Increased hunger hormones. Missing breakfast boosts ghrelin, leading to overeating later, per a 2024 obesity study, contributing to 42% obesity rates in the United States. Stress on gut barrier. A 2023 gut microbes study showed that fasting until lunch weakens the gut lining, increasing leaky gut risk by 10%. Dr. Emmerin Mayer, a gastroenterologist, notes in a 2024 gut article, breakfast sets the tone for gut health, regulating digestion and microbiome balance. Skipping it disrupts this harmony, affecting your energy, mood, and long-term health. To protect your gut, start your day with a quick, nutrient-packed breakfast. A 2024 Journal of Nutrition study found that fiber and probiotics restore gut balance in 60% of regular breakfast eaters. 30-second breakfast ideas. Oatmeal bowl. Mix half-cup rolled oats, 50 cents at Walmart, with 1 cup almond milk, 30 cents, and 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 20 cents. Microwave for 2 minutes. A 2023 American Journal of Clinical Nutrition study showed 10 grams of fiber daily boosts gut bacteria. Green smoothie. Blend 1 cup spinach, 30 cents at Aldi, half banana, 10 cents, and 1 cup water in 30 seconds. A 2024 nutrient study found spinach's folate improves gut motility. Egg muffin. Scramble 1 egg, 25 cents, with 1/4 cup diced peppers, 20 cents, in a microwave-safe mug for 1 minute. A 2023 gut study showed protein supports gut lining health. Why it works. Fiber feeds beneficial bacteria, per a 2024 gut microbes study. Probiotics. Yogurt or fermented foods enhance microbiome diversity, per a 2023 Journal of Translational Medicine study. Protein stabilizes blood sugar, reducing gut stress, per a 2024 obesity study. Practical tip: prep oats or smoothies the night before for a 30-second morning routine, saving time for busy Americans. Pair your breakfast with quick morning habits to amplify gut health. A 2024 nutrient study found that hydration and movement enhance digestion by 20%, countering the effects of skipping breakfast. 30-second habits. Hydration. Drink 1 cup of water, free, before breakfast to improve gut motility, per a 2023 Journal of Nutrition study. Use a reusable bottle, $10 at Target. Micro-exercise. Do a 30-second stretch or walk in place to stimulate digestion, per a 2024 American Journal of Preventive Medicine study. Try United States neighborhood trails, free. Mindfulness. Practice 30 seconds of deep breathing for 7-8 technique to reduce stress-related gut inflammation, per a 2023 psychosomatic medicine study, using apps like Calm, free trial. Why it works. Hydration. Supports gut lining, per a 2024 gut study. Exercise. Enhances gut motility, reducing bloating, per a 2023 Journal of Translational Medicine study. Stress reduction. Lowers cortisol, protecting gut bacteria, per a 2024 psychosomatic medicine study. Practical tip. Add one habit, like sipping water or stretching, while eating breakfast to boost gut health in 30 seconds. Consistently eating breakfast and adopting these habits transforms your gut and overall health. A 2024 Journal of Nutrition study found that regular breakfast eaters have 20% better digestion and 10% lower chronic disease risk. Long-term benefits. Improved gut diversity. Increases beneficial bacteria, reducing inflammation, per a 2023 gut microbes study. Weight management. Prevents overeating, supporting 42% of Americans battling obesity, per a 2024 obesity study. Better energy and mood. Stabilizes blood sugar, enhancing focus, per a 2024 Journal of Clinical Nutrition study. Integration tips. Prep breakfast ingredients weekly, $20 at Aldi. To save time, per a 2023 appetite study. Join gut health communities via nutrition.org for motivation, boosting adherence by 20%, per a 2024 American Journal of Preventive Medicine study. Track progress with a journal or app like MyFitnessPal, $50 per year, to stay consistent. Practical tip. Start with one breakfast recipe and one habit, like oatmeal and water, to build a gut-friendly routine in busy United States lives. Skipping breakfast harms your gut, but one meal a day can change everything. Take our 30-day gut health challenge. Eat a gut-friendly breakfast, add one 30-second habit, and track your digestion. Share your progress at nutrition.org and inspire others. With 70% of Americans facing gut issues, your choices matter. Consult a dietitian via choosemyplate.gov, and let's heal our guts together. That's it for what happens to your gut when you skip breakfast. Subscribe for more daily health tips, and comment below. Which breakfast are you trying first? Let's build a healthier United States together. See you tomorrow.